Hi, in front of me is Nokia 2.4 and today I would like to show you how you can operate a permission manager on this device. Start by going into settings. Then choose apps and notifications, click on advanced, choose permission manager and pick one of the options, for example location. Now select an app, like phone, and pick one of the available options, allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. I will go with allow all the time. So now when I go back, I can see that phone gained access to my device location. But if you want to see all permissions that your apps have, for example phone, you can click on it, choose see all phone permissions and manage it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!